What if AI became self-aware? You discuss a product with your friends, and on the following day, an advertisement of the same product pops up on your Facebook newsfeed. You watch a medical-related video on YouTube, and just after a few minutes, YouTube starts showing you similar videos on your main screen. You sit in a car and don't want to drive. No problem. Just put it on autopilot, and boom! This real-world transformation is indebted to artificial intelligence, which is undoubtedly an incredible breakthrough of this era. But what if a machine becomes so intelligent that it beats the human approach? Join us today as we dive into the depths and ask what will happen if artificial intelligence becomes self-aware. It's just a matter of time until robots achieve self-awareness that matches our own as artificial intelligence evolves. Advanced AI, for example, can already outperform human counterparts in several white-collar jobs. However, when they gain intelligence, they present disturbing ethical problems regarding what philosophers refer to as personhood, responsibility, and legal rights. The field of artificial intelligence originated in the 1950s to make robots as clever as humans. However, dissatisfied with the sluggish pace of advancement, many AI researchers shifted their attention away from brain scientists and into so-called expert systems, in which AI was designed to do highly specific tasks. AI systems have recently combined sophisticated machine learning methods with substantial computer resources to analyze complicated and massive datasets to develop prediction models. These powerful AI algorithms often use artificial neural networks modeled after biological networks that connect brain cells or neurons. Deep learning and its derivatives have been shown to outperform human-level performance. For example, Google's DeepMind AlphaGo software defeated the European champion in a Go contest. Of course, one may argue that a machine does not need to be self-aware of its own decisions and actions. To solve this, consider a situation in which a self-driving automobile is going down a highway when it meets unexpected conditions such as heavy fog. The automobile might continue to travel at high speeds, which could be disastrous. Let's pretend the automobile is aware of the scenario. If it was aware that its degree of decision confidence was insufficient, it may slow down or park on the side of the road, lowering the threat. Surprisingly, some recent discoveries in the brain and cognitive scientists of decision-making provide the solution. However, these artificial neural network models only represent a tiny portion of the real complicated biological brain. Critically, they lack a serious component of human intelligence, namely consciousness or self-awareness. The incorporation of such sophisticated cognition into algorithms has the potential to result in more human-like, intelligent robots. Robots are being designed to operate inside nuclear reactors, fight wars, and care for the elderly. Moreover, these machines are expected to take over many human employments over several decades as they become more intelligent. If so happens, AI would be the next mantra of this world. This is a significant problem for several reasons. First, ethicists are concerned that forcing AIs to serve humans would be unethical if they can suffer and experience various emotions. Second, self-awareness has the potential to make AIs volatile or unpredictable, increasing safety issues, or it may identify awareness in humans and treat us with compassion. Third, machine consciousness may influence the feasibility of brain implant technologies, such as those being explored by Elon Musk's new organization, Neuralink. If AI cannot be aware, then the brain areas responsible for awareness cannot be replaced with chips without causing consciousness to be lost. In a similar manner, a human couldn't prevent death by uploading their brain to a computer since the upload wouldn't be a conscious creature. Furthermore, even if AI someday outthinks us but lacks awareness, there will remain an essential sense in which we humans are better than computers and feel good to be us. However, the most intelligent creatures on the planet would not be aware or sentient. So, what are the options? We think that to discern evidence of self-awareness in AIs, we do not need to define it officially, comprehend its philosophical origin, or understand its neurological base. Instead, by introspecting, every one of us can learn something fundamental about it. Like, we can all sense what it's like to exist from the inside out. Based on this fundamental feature of consciousness, we propose the AI Consciousness Test, ACT, which examines whether the synthetic brains we develop have an experience-based grasp of how it feels from the inside to be aware. Deep learning is a mechanism used by sophisticated AI systems to quickly accomplish computational tasks, employing networks of layered algorithms that interact to tackle more complicated issues. It's a method remarkably similar to our own brains, in which information travels quickly across neural connections. For example, deep learning in a neural network allows AI to teach itself how to recognize illness, win a strategic game against the most significant human player on the planet, or produce a hit song. However, to achieve these feats, every neural network still needs a human programmer to define the goals and pick the data for it to learn from. Having said that, we're pretty sure that AI will beat human intelligence one day. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button to get more amazing videos in the future.